What? You don't have to do that. You can hit the four little corners in the box at the bottom, and it comes up. All right. Here we go. Now, please head your paper. Make sure your name's on your paper because I already threw like 5 pieces of homework in the garbage the other day. All right. Make sure your name's on your paper right now. All right. Translate each sentence into an equation. 3 times R less than 15 equals 6. What?
15.
Thank you very much. 15 minus 3R equals 6. Perfect. The sum of Q and 4 times T equals 29. Sum means add. Q plus 4T equals 29. That's it. Anybody have any issues with that? Read the question. Q, the sum of Q. Number 3. Mr. Wash, what do we got? I'll blow it up a little bit. Yep. You're amazing. That's correct. So we have n squared plus 12 equals p over 4. Remember, we don't write the division symbol anymore. We write it as a fraction. I'm trying to get you to understand a fraction is just a division problem. All right, number 4, Mr. Williams, go. I'll blow it up a little more since we can. Go. Half of J. How do I write half of J? Now listen to me. Yeah, J divided by 2. I like that. But for me personally, I would have written 1/2 J. But you are correct. J over 2 is the same thing. Everybody should know that. 1/2 J is the same as J over 2. So I'm pretty happy with that, Mr. Williams. All right, then what?
So 1/2 of J minus 5 equals 13. Right?
Equals what?
13.
What does sum mean to do?
Oh.
Shh.
K plus 13.
There you go. K plus 13. I'm happy with that. All right. Very good. Miss Hayes, we're on number 5 now, girl. I want you to try this one. That's perfect. Now, again, you should be trying, not just writing my answers down. The sum of 8 and 3 times K. So we're adding 8 to 3K. That equals the difference. So we're subtracting 2 things. We're subtracting 5K and 3. All right. Next, number 6. Mr. Green, go ahead. Uh-huh. Yep. Yep. Perfect. Number 6. 3/4 W plus 5 equals 1/2 W plus 9. Very nice. All right, next, Mr. Wallachek. Good job. 25 divided by T plus 6. You're amazing. That was good, buddy. That was good. All right, let's go. Peter, you're up. Number 8. Yep, hold on. Let me move this out of the way though.
32 over y. Three, one minus four.
Say that again. 32 over y equals what?
5. Minus
Yes, that's perfect. 3y minus 4. Everybody good with that?
Yep.
Anybody have any issues? All right, remember, the only way to get better at those is just try them. You have to just try. All right. Know the key words. All right. Number 9. Let's look at this one. All right. So, Mr. Greep, let's go ahead with number 9, buddy. All right, let's read it first.
There's 3,000 insurance bank account, you wish to increase the account to a total of 3,000 by depositing 40 for Cody platforms in check. Write and solve the equation, find out how we can make this to reach its goal.
Yeah, we're not solving, we're just writing, guys. So what are you thinking? How much do you have in your bank account right now? 2,000. Now, what are you going to do to that 2,000 each week? That's right. You're adding 40. What goes after 40? 40 what? Yes. So 40 W. Do you agree? Right? Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. And we're trying to get to what? Yes. So we want it to equal 3,000. Now that's what we're going to spending a lot of time on, doing all these word problems. Doesn't make any sense. All right. Not to be able to translate a word problem into an equation and to solve it. Most of you, I think, are pretty good at solving equations. We got to work on word problems. That's all I need you to do. All right. We're not solving anything. All right. Just writing the equation. All right, Liv, you get to try number 10. Go. Perfect. What am I going to do with that? Yep. Plus 32 what? Per. So what am I going to write? Because do you agree we don't know how many cans we're going to use, right? So it's going to be 32 what? No, it's kind of like up here. We don't know how many weeks it's going to take, so we did 40 W. Yes, 250 plus 32 C, and I want to make how much? That's it, 410. Right, that's the equation. Don't worry about solving it. All right, here we go. We're going to translate this. Leah, you're up, number 11. Okay, so how do I write that? Wait a minute, what are we starting with? I'm trying to help you. Yes, the perimeter is. Is in math means what? Equals. So that's what I'm trying to show you. We're specifically talking about the perimeter. You with me? So what letter would we want to use for perimeter? P equals what? Uh-huh. Yep. 5 times the length. Yes, I like length for length of each side. Could you use 5S for side? Yeah, you can use 5X. All right, it doesn't matter. All right, that was good. All right, Katie, number 12. Miss Lupin, go. So what do I have to do? What's area? What letter? A equals, that's it. Pi r squared. A equals pi r squared. All right, Jay, look at 13. 13, I'm sorry. I don't know what I said. 13.
4 times pi times the radius is the surface area of the sphere.
So how do I write that? Yep. Yep. What squared? Nope. What is this word? Yeah. Radius squared, right? You agree with that? Equals what? So what letter do you want to use? Yeah, we can use S, but I like to write SA. All right, we'll do a lot of that in geometry. All right, surface area can be abbreviated as SA. Okay, but if you put A down, it's okay. All right, 14. Go ahead, Katie.
1 times the
Good.
and adding it to the height.
Okay, so read it to me. What does it say?
1/3 product of the length of the side squared and the height is the volume of the pyramid with a square base.
Okay, so 1/3 the product of the length of the side squared. All right, so what letter do you want to use for the side? Right, I'm with you on that. So I'm changing L to S, correct? So 1/3 the product of the length of the side squared and the what?
Equals the volume.
Yes. That's your answer. That's actually the formula for volume of a square pyramid. 1/3 side squared times H. Yes, sir. All right, so the square pyramid would look something like this. Trying to. All right, let me try to show you what this is. All right, I'm trying to draw a square pyramid for you. All right, please take a look and it might be helpful. All right, does that kind of look like a square pyramid? This is the side length. This is the side length. And then I'm going to draw in the height for you. The height is this distance from here to here. You with me now, right? So the volume is just this times this times this times 1/3. Okay. All right, that was kind of tricky. All right, let's bring it up to Colton. Here we go, 21.
5 and F and 5 times G is the same as 25 minus F.
So what does difference mean?
Right,
That's correct. So what are we going to subtract?
so 5 F. I mean, 5
No, you're right.
F minus 5,
Minus 5 what?
5 G
Yes.
is equal 25 minus 5. Or 25 minus F.
Thank you. All right, perfect, guys. Thank you. All right. Tricky. All right. Translations, critical. All right, here we go. 22. Sadie, you're up.
Also, a product of 16.
What are you thinking?
So 100 minus 3 is 60.
Wow, you are amazing, girl. That was really good. 3 times B less than 100 is equal to the product of 6 and B. That's very good. All right, Suri, let's see what you can do.
4 times the sum of 14 and C is A squared. 14 plus 4 parentheses 14 plus C.
Wow, hold up with that. Hold up. That's really good. 4 and then times the sum. 2 operations in a row requires parentheses. 4 parentheses. Go ahead.
14 plus C and the parentheses equals A squared.
Beautiful. That's it. Very nice. Very nice. What? I thought you had a question. Okay. Very good. All right, let's take a look now at what time's the bell ring? Can someone tell me what time is it right now? 17. All right, so let me give you the last 9 minutes to try to finish up. All right, you get to try these on your own. All right, that's it. 24 through, what did I say? Yeah, 24 to 29, guys. That's your work. All right. Again, please. All right. Once you're done, or if you get done, you should pull out your test and look at your mistakes. All right. But please take your time. Do a good job with these translations.